Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset and force restart operation will be useful for some reason. Your device stopped working properly, so it does not respond to your touches, it froze and you have no idea what to do. So you can try to force restart it. So your device will simply cut all of the processes, will turn off the apps and restart the system, and after that the device should work properly. So in order to soft reset the device, we have to press the power button and the volume down button together and wait until we will see the black screen. And let me do it. Let me press both of those buttons and ignore the screenshot, which you will do. Simply press both of those buttons for long enough until you will see the black screen. Let's wait. It will take approximately around 10 seconds, maybe 8 seconds. As you can see, we've got the black screen. Right now we can see the developer logo, which simply means that our device is restarting. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.